My Mischievous Children, Jamaican comedy sketch, starring Sister Petra, Epic Boss, music by Epic Boss.
God, thank you for sending a man in my life can help me around the house. I am so grateful, Lord. Thank you. Oh, Jesus. I hope the kids them behave themselves and have manners, you know. I hope them have manners. Picking some jumplum to make some drinks that Mr. Errol can get some to drink as well. Is who that?
It's me, Errol.
Oh, Mr. Errol. Oh my God. You're going to live long, you know. I
am not pleased, you know.
With what? I just called a name.
Your daughter Petra just pushed me down round there a while ago, ma'am.
Oh my God. What is this?
I was there hanging up some clothes on the line and your daughter pushed me down.
Oh my God. So what the cause of that? Oh, Petra out order, sir.
Ma'am, I didn't know that your daughter is so unruly. I'm telling you the honest truth, ma'am.
To be honest with you, I see them behaving away from the other day from them father gone. You know. Be careful and mind not dress with the blood. Just be careful, alright? Tell you what, I'm going to get some dressing and dress that for you. I am very sorry. You see these picnic? Them plan to stress me out and kill me since them papa gone.
Ma'am,
you know.
suppose you ever hear your daughter upon the top of her voice.
What you mean by
say
the
me
top of her
a
voice?
old man and me fi have me own a place.
Seriously?
You understand?
What an ungrateful
Me
little
there
girl.
pin up my clothes on the line and your daughter come and pin them off and the whole of them drop a ground, you know.
Pack them off of the line and drop them on the
Yes,
ground?
from
Oh
she
my
come from
God.
school.
Jesus.
Your daughter attacked me.
Oh, so it's
And
like
me
them plan
explain
something.
and tell her say, I rent the house. She a say, me and you there.
Jesus
And
Christ.
you run
Oh
out
my
her father
God.
to bring me come in
my
the
God.
house.
Mr. Errol, I am so sorry. Mr. Errol, I'm so sorry. I can't believe that Petra do this. Jesus, please, what is this upon me, Lord? Could you forgive me? I hope you find it in your heart to forgive her, because our head not so hot. Tell you what, I'm not picking up for them, you know. I'm not picking up for them. I hope you don't change your mind about staying here.
I was thinking on to move out
Oh
tonight,
God,
you know.
please don't bother with that.
Because
Mr. Errol, no bother with that. Mr. Errol, I was just talking about how I am so happy that you're here, because you can help me around the yard and all of them something there, you know, and any little thing want to move in the house, you're there to help me. So don't watch these kids, for them head no hot. Them get it from them papa. I soon pack them up and send them where them paddy.
Mr. Zaya, I was think about it, you know, because me that think so me that just pack up and just
I'm
leave.
begging you,
and just
please.
go to another location.
Listen to
On
me.
the line.
So where you going
Online.
to? You can't do that. Because listen to me, remember you already paid the money. And I already think about spending it. So I'm just begging you, please, Mr. Errol, don't do this to me.
All right,
Don't do this to me.
Reconsider.
Think about it, man. Think about it. And don't worry yourself, I'm coming. I'm going to deal with Petra case. You hear
I'm
me?
going to take up my clothes them off of the
All
ground,
right, I'm coming, sweetheart.
All right.
Lord, have mercy upon my soul. This is a disgrace. It's what them picnic you want to do. I'm mad them want mad me. Huh? From them papa God, these picnic things say them can't rule me.
You must have think say me care if you want go tell mommy. Me care. You must have think say me frightened for mommy. Look pa me good say me frightened for mommy. You know what I go and dash with every piece of your clothes. Cause you must have know hear me say if you come out of me papa yard. Oh, watch ya. Lord God, kuya. Come me papa underpant. Oh God. What me mommy wicked so to daddy. And me father underpant and shot sing it to the old man. Watch ya. And me papa tree rock them. Oh God. Mommy wicked. One dash them. Take them out of me backyard. Oh mommy wicked so man. Oh God help me.
Sister.
Watch ya.
Pick up your bag, you know. Me hear my mommy attack all this up.
Well, me this dash wine clothes.
Yeah.
Yes, you know say me have seen it. You know say a daddy underpant mommy give him.
What you say?
Him a wash daddy underpant for wear it and daddy rag too.
Eh?
Dash wine in bag. What you hearing they tell him say?
Me hear him tell him say you should be down and cut up here and fit me.
Hey, so what? Lag.
But you come put bag in a room. I don't know if you have to room. You face this.
You don't know where he come. He come a hell.
You go on man like that one come live in a papa yard.
I don't know where Pabili or the show.
Bright and feisty. Suppose you ever hear him talk to mommy around there.
What, like I woman?
Yes! I talk about you're running up. Your daughter push me down on the ground.
Yes, me push him down. Come in a
white me hand. Your woman now, no? I'm gonna use dressing and put on it.
Which dressing?
Yeah,
Which
no?
dressing? I couldn't daddy dressing.
No dressing, I go pan no cut.
Hey! You know what I say? I wrong place in come, man. You see the two of them have planned for dash out daddy and come live here. You know see? I look like say I plan they want plan for dash out we too. But we are going to show them sitting. Not sure.
Anytime he come round, he see luggage, just all in doing pick them up and go straight through the gate.
Simple as that. You know, have to go back in
anybody will come at this yard.
Yes.
Me and you are going to deal with them.
Yeah, we are going to make their life a living nightmare. So as long as they live, they will never come back here come play with we. And they will know say when they see the two with them to stay away. Not true.
Sis, when you that talk, me say talk and I say, me not to tell daddy nothing. Me really see, you know. We don't need daddy help, you know.
Nah.
We alone can govern this yard.
You know, say we big and bad.
Mommy under order, you know, because she under no control, you know.
Mommy.
A man she want, you know. You know, say a man she want.
Oh, you mean if a man, mommy, what? Then everybody knows say a man she want. Me hear you say, mommy, they got long tush. And me say, me could have swear me here in the vice road, they speak.
Like that she got foreign and she didn't even know a plane door look.
Oh, God, man, you can't do mommy body, man.
She didn't even know a plane door look, sis.
She speak proper language.
And she chat bad. You know we chat bad, so when she get that, how when she get that, what you call it, twanging from?
It's Jamaican twanging, that's how when they see people, they had on, man.
Shut her mouth.
And that she feel
she had a chat all foolish on the toe, she had twang.
Hey, you know say to me you really not love your mother.
I love her, man.
You can't hate your mother. And mommy have you still.
Me no care, sis. She wicked. Because she a bring man come in with father house and go like so we no fit talk and say nothing.
Yeah. Well, as from today, they will know what we stand for. They know say don't play with us.
And
not
she
true.
needs to confront me before she bring anybody come here.
Yeah.
And furthermore, nobody now come here, not even family member now come here.
So that they be know. Because guess what, if me and you no pass it now pass. Not true.
That me say sis.
Yes. So alright, make we go chill and have a drink.
So mix some sugar water, sis. Go.
Alright.
Mighty God. Mighty God. Them pick me up. Jesus Christ. Oh God. Boy.
Mr. Errol? Mr. Errol, what's wrong?
Look here.
Oh my God, what you back doing out here?
You know, sister, pick them dash out the clothes out of the place.
My kids, I don't think seriously?
So how my bag would I reach out here?
Oh my God. Mr. Errol, these kids want to kill me.
I can't stay here, ma'am.
What do you mean you can't stay here?
I cannot stay here.
You can't leave me. You can't leave. I need you to help me.
I never rent a place yet and somebody throw out my clothes.
I understand, but I'm begging you, please, you can't leave me right now with these kids. These kids want to mad me, and I need help with them. Please, don't, can you just give me the bag, let me bring it back inside?
Josiah, listen to me.
I'm going to talk to the kids. Where are they?
I don't know, I just come round and see my
Oh
clothes.
my God. Please, I am asking in the name of the Lord. Just don't leave me right now with these kids. You
Josiah,
don't Yes, sir.
Listen to me. Keep the money.
Which, sir?
Listen to me. Keep the money. I will get somewhere else and rent.
Mr. Errol, please, sir, don't leave. Sir, I just picked these to make some juice for me and you know.
I don't want any juice. I'm very disappointed in you.
I understand, sir.
I'm very disappointed.
I understand, sir. In me or in the kids?
In you because it's your kids.
Sir,
You didn't inform me and tell me that your kids were like this.
Sir, to be honest, I didn't know that they were this dangerous. You don't see from their papa gun, they lose it. Tell you what, you stay and let me pack them up and throw them out, let them go behind them papa.
I don't think that is a good idea, Josiah.
Mr. Errol, you're really leaving?
I'm leaving.
And you know that I see that you're a good person, Mr. Errol. Mr. Errol. Oh
I
man.
have to go, man.
Mr. Errol, I plan to blend up some juice for me and you know. Oh my God, have mercy upon me, oh Lord.
Yeah, la, Zion.
Sister Petra.
Lead me, Lord. Lead me, Jesus, to the right path. That no weapon formed against me shall never prosper. Oh, lead me, Lord. Walk with me, Lord, to the right path. That no weapon formed against me shall never prosper.
Throw the coconut and make we broke them. Spin your roll and dip and disturb them. We are gonna work tonight and set a order. The more them fight, the more we go harder.
La da 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 da. Say the angel them a pass through. Where the banner high, way up in the sky. Say